How to reset Gboard to default settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to fix wrong keys or shortcuts by clearing out custom changes. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Apps. After that, find and tap Gboard, or search for it if it's not immediately visible. At this point, tap Storage. Following this, tap Clear Data. Keep in mind, this wipes out any custom dictionary entries, learned words, and personalized settings, resetting Gboard back to how it was when first installed. From here, tap Clear to confirm. At this stage, reopen any app with a text field to load Gboard fresh. Following this, tap into the text field and check whether the keys and shortcuts are behaving normally again. If you'd rather not fully wipe your data and just want to reset specific settings instead, there's a more targeted option too. From here, go back into Gboard settings from within the keyboard itself by tapping the gear icon on the toolbar. At this stage, go through sections like text correction or preferences and manually toggle off anything you may have accidentally changed, like autocorrect behavior or custom shortcuts. That's how you reset Gboard to default settings on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!